Hello, Iowa School Board members. I'm Donna Beegle, and I work nationally to help leaders and educators around the country change the statistic that our students in poverty are the least likely to get an education. I'm excited to share with you at your luncheon keynote some strategies from an insider perspective. I was born into generations of poverty where most of my family members can't read and write. I have 5 brothers. I dropped out of school at age 15, got my GED at 26, and 10 years later, my doctorate in educational leadership. I studied poverty, education, and communication all the way, seeking strategies and proven practices that would change the dynamic that our students in poverty are the least likely to get an education. I'll also be doing a pre-conference workshop where we get to dive a little deeper into actionable items that you can take as a leader to truly make a difference and ensure that all of our students get to thrive and reach their fullest potential. I can't wait to see you. I want to ask you a question for you to be thinking about. What do you believe causes poverty? How do you believe it impacts education? And what's your own background? How does that shape the decisions you make as a school board leader? What if every child, like my granddaughter Luna Bella, had an authentic opportunity to develop to their fullest potential? That's got to be our goal. See you soon. Bye.